If you want Google to display results that contain the exact words you type in your search box, all you need to do is to put them inside double quotes. For example, we want to search for documents that contain the text or the phrase best laptop for student. You type your double quote and then you type best laptop for student and you enclose with your double quote. Then you press your enter key. So we'll check our results. You see best laptop for student. If we don't want a word to appear in our search result, all we just need to do is to type the minus sign and that word. So it will be excluded from our search result. For example, we want to look at latest Nigeria news, right? If we hit our enter key, we know the popular website that will definitely appear, Vanguard, Punch, and the others. So let's say now we don't need Vanguard news. We don't want Vanguard to appear in the search result. So we can type minus sign first, they will type Vanguard, right? So that minus sign means that it will be excluded. So let's press our enter key and we'll check. So we don't have anything Vanguard. You can tell Google to search only inside one website instead of Google searching the whole place. For example, you want to search for scholarship from only CNN.com. Type SITE site, put your colon, then which site do you want to search? CNN.com. Then what do you want to search about? Scholarship. And you press your enter key. And then you see that all your results are from what? CNN.com. If you want your Google results to appear in a particular file format, let's say for example PDF or Word or PowerPoint, all you just need to do is to use the keyword file type. You come to the Google search this and then you just type file type as a keyword. As you can see here, you type colon, then you type PDF, which is the file type the result will appear in. Then what are you searching for? HTML course, for example. So when you press your enter key, you see that all your results will be in PDF. You can solve mathematics directly on Google. All you just need to do is to type the exact formula on Google. For example, we want to multiply 40 by 3. So you just type 40 asterisk 3 and you press your enter key, it gives you the result 120.